Hello curious, I have a big problem. I have blackhead too. I have too much blackheads. So how did I know? Actually, I did microblade my eyebrows, obviously, and I had a picture. I did a video on that, and I had a picture sitting on my desktop, and I was cleaning on my desktop. I saw the picture for the first time. I wasn't concentrated on the eyebrows, and I saw my nose. I was like, jeez. So now I want to use this bad boy to remove the blackhead. Oh, this is disgusting. This is disgusting, people. So that is the before. Ew! If it's too much for anybody, then anyways, that's how it's looking. I have a diffuser here. You're going to be diffusing or not? Is it better? Nope. I think that's okay. Now we use our DIY blackhead. Oh, look at my nose. I think I did too much of it. I definitely did too much of the mixture. I look funny. Am I going to regret putting it down here? Let me come closer. I really need to be. Oh, look at this. Girl, the closer I come, the more I think I should do the whole thing on my face. And now we wait. Still shining. I'm waiting for it to dry. It's already 20 minutes. I can't even stand up or something because I have this chief. Wow. I didn't invite him. Listen, it seems as if this whole thing has gotten structure. This is what I'm saying. It has gotten structure. I still have some wet parts. I think I have to wait. It's already 30 minutes and I can feel it here. Should I start moving it? Like here. I think we are good, right? We are good to go. Ew. Too early. Was that enough? I'm doing it again, people. I think I will do it on my whole face. I'm doing this again on my whole face, and I will let it sit longer. And I will do it. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.